Hey, this is just a test video. I'm trying to figure out what's causing the clicking noise in my iAudi phone holder. For some reason, my speaker is picking up a rattling noise and it just ruins the video. So I'm going to try it again here and see if I can recreate the rattle. Or I think I figured out what it is. I'm just not sure how to stop it. There's a little button that trips the holder and it clamps shut. Somebody looking at those lots. Anyway, I'm hoping it doesn't happen. We're just going to take a shorty here. This is just a short drive testing my video, guys. Sorry for that video. I didn't realize it was that rattling noise was in it till I just listened to it a few minutes ago. My driving video about boondocking. But anyway, we're going to check this out. I think I know, again, I don't mean to bore you with this, but I think I have discovered what's causing it. I'm not sure how to eliminate it. There's a little button that whenever you put the phone in the holder, that little button is depressed, which causes the holder to clamp down on the phone. And it's close to where the speaker is on the phone. So what happens is if you don't have the phone really pressed against that button, when that clamp comes down, then that creates, I think, the rattling noise because I can't hear it. Okay, I cannot hear the rattling noise at all. Or I couldn't hear it in that video or any of the videos. There were a few that I heard a rattling noise, but it wasn't the holder or the phone. It was something in the dash of the pickup. But we're going to take that same short drive, or just similar, and see if I can't recreate it. But anyway, this is still Sunday, beautiful day. Time change throws your body clock off a little bit. But Beer 30 will still occur at the same time. You can rest assured of that. I'll put on my Beer 30 t-shirt and be ready for that event daily. Thank you for the Beer 30 t-shirt and thank you for the pictures. Anyway, I don't hear it. I don't hear any rattling. I really don't. And see what I don't, since I don't edit the videos, you know, I just upload them. And then rarely do I go back and listen to any of them. Sometimes I do, just out of curiosity, if I get some comments like, boy, that was crap, or, you know, there was a clicking noise in your video, or it was black, or, you know, you didn't have the camera on, or something, you know, then I go back and see what might have caused it. But anyway, we're going to go down this road to the left a little bit, and then we'll turn around and we'll go back to the house, and then I'll watch the video and see if it has a clicking noise, because this is the same road where it was clicking, and it seemed like it was clicking on any road that had any roughness to it at all. This is not a rough road. It's fairly well maintained, and so here we go. Of course, I don't hear anything. I don't hear any type of rattling, clicking noises at all. And my ear is right by the phone. Can't hear a thing, guys. So we'll get back and we'll run this video. There's a fish hatchery off here to the left. In fact, this is the road that goes to it. It kind of circles in and out, so we'll circle in and out here. I've been to the fish hatchery. It's kind of interesting, I guess, if you're into fish, fingerlings. Well, if it's going to click, it ought to click on this road. Yeah, it really ought to click here. Yeah, this goes on the right. Yeah, if it doesn't click here, it ain't going to click. Yeah, that's terrible, man. That road straight ahead goes to the fish hatchery, and then if we take this little paved road over here, you can go back out to the road. There's a little picnic table right here to the right you can't see under this huge oak tree, and I used to go there and have a little picnic lunch every now and then because nobody even knows it's there, and nobody ever would. We'd have to go to the fish hatchery and be carefully looking to the left to see it. Inks Dam National Fish Hatchery, U.S. Parks and Wildlife. So here we go back to the Casa, guys. This is Park Road 4. But anyway, the video, the reason I'm going to leave it up, and I guess it's a little selfish of me, is I thought it was an okay video. I mean, I got my point across and a lot of other stuff. And damn that clicking noise. Well, I tell you, there's nothing more frustrating. I tell you two things that are really frustrating for me doing YouTube videos. One is that clicking noise, of course, after you've done what you feel like is a pretty good video and you felt good doing it, it all came out okay, and then you get the clicking noise in the background. That's one thing. And then another thing that gets me, and it doesn't happen often, and I know how to avoid it, is if I get a phone call right in the middle of a video, which I rarely get phone calls, rarely, I mean really rarely. But if you get a phone call in the middle of the video, it cuts the video off and you can't go back and restart it from that point. You have to start all over again. But if you put the phone in airplane mode, you won't receive any calls that'll interrupt it, but then you have to remember that you've got the phone in airplane mode, or else you'll wonder why you don't get any phone calls at all. And also you can't access the internet, so I guess that would tell me, because I use my phone as a hotspot a lot. And anyway, yeah, I got another video I'm going to do this afternoon about unlimited cell phone plans, just killing time, burning daylight, so to speak, here in Central Texas. But anyway, we'll see how this goes. But again, guys, I'm sorry for that clicking noise. I hate that happened because I liked that video and I was hoping that it would be okay, and it wasn't. But anyway, again, Sunday afternoon, Central Texas. This is the road. This is Highway Road 118, I think. But anyway, guys, from Central Texas, USA, this has just been a test. Thumbs up, carpe diem, adios, bye-bye, bye, USA. Maybe you can, or if you want to, do whatever you got. It doesn't matter. We live in such a crazy world. We got U.S. companies in China, China companies in the U.S., Japanese companies in the U.S., U.S. companies in Japan. So anyway, enjoy your day, guys.